Hello, Bacho. Let's read the question. The question says, which one is the electron deficient compound? Here they have given four options. Among those, we have to find out which is the electron deficient compound. So, the key concept in this question, what is meant by electron deficient compound? Electron deficient compound is the compound. So, the compound having deficient electrons. That means this is the compound in which atoms does not have 8 electrons in their valency shell. So in this atoms have does not have 8 electrons in their valency shell. In their valency shell to complete its octet. To complete its octet. So that means whenever the atoms when the atoms becomes more stable, whenever the atoms they tend to bond in such a way their valency shell it is filled with 8 electrons. So this is nothing but octet rule. This is nothing but octet rule. So the electron deficient compound does not obey octet rule because they are having the less number of electrons than 8 electrons. What are the electron deficient compound? They are having less than 8 electrons in their valency shell. Less than 8 electrons in the valency shell. This is the simple definition of the electron deficient atom. So we have to find out among the given which is the electron deficient compound. So we have to draw the structures ICL. So we have to draw the Lewis structure for each and every compound. What is the Lewis structure? The Lewis structure, it is a diagram. It shows bonding between atoms as well as the lone pair of electrons. Bonding between atoms as well as lone pair of electrons. So we'll draw the Lewis structure here. The Lewis structure of ICl. So iodine having the 7 valency electrons. In the same manner, chlorine having 7 valency electrons. Whenever we see the structure of ICl, iodine having how many valence electrons are present in iodine? That is 7 valency electrons are present. 7 valency electrons are present. Even on the chlorine also 7 valency electrons are present. So whenever we observe the structure of ICl, this is the structure of ICl. So now we'll count the number of electrons present on each atom. On iodine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are present. So it obeys octet. Chlorine also. How many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons. So it obeys octet rule. It obeys octet rule. And also it having 8 electrons in their valency shell. So it is not electron deficient compound. It is not electron deficient compound. So in the same manner, we have to find out for each and every compound. Then the next compound here, it is NH3. Nitrogen having 5 valency electrons and hydrogen having 1 valency electrons. Whenever we draw the structure of NH3, this is the structure of NH3. So now we count the number of electrons on each atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nitrogen having 8 electrons, hydrogen having 2 electrons. So all these, so hydrogen it is an exception because here hydrogen it is full of K shell. So full K shell, 2 electrons are present. So it also obeys octet. So here it is not an electron deficient compound. Then coming to the next structure, that is the next structure here, BCl3. Whenever we draw the BCl3, boron and 3 Cls on chlorine, 7 electrons are present on the chlorine. Whenever we count the number of electrons on each atom in the BCl3, So all the chlorines it having 8 electrons, so it obeys octet 8 electrons. But whenever we count the number of electrons on bromine, only 6 electrons are present. So it is a less than 8 electrons, less than 8 electrons in their valency shell. So valency shell. So it is an electron deficient compound. So it is an electron deficient compound. So option C is the correct answer. Then we'll see the option D, that is a PCl3. Whenever we draw the structure of PCl3 on chlorine, so phosphorus having valency electrons 5, on chlorine valency electron 7. So here, whenever we count the number of electrons on each atom, so chlorine having the 8 electrons each on each chlorine atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8, here 8, here 8 electrons. Even on the phosphorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is not an electron deficient compound. So the among the given options, which is an electron deficient compound, that is BCl3 is an electron deficient compound. Option C is the correct answer. Hope you understand. Hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you so much.